forget to subscribe. It's free. And hit that notification bell. Max and Ruby. Max and the Easter Bunny. The Bunny Scouts were holding a special Easter egg hunt in the park. "Do you want to come with me, Max?" asked Ruby. "Easter Bunny," said Max. He couldn't wait to go. At the park, Bunny Scout leader said, "Let's see who can find the most Easter eggs. On your mark, get set, go!" The Bunny Scouts rushed about with their baskets. "Come on, Max, let's go," said Ruby. Together they started looking for Easter eggs. Suddenly, Louise yelled out, "I found one! I found the first Easter egg!" It was a beautiful blue and gold striped egg. "Easter Bunny," said Max. He couldn't wait to find more. Suddenly, Ruby yelled out, "Look, Max!" She had found a beautiful red egg with pink polka dots. Max reached out for it. "No, Max," said Ruby. "The Easter egg goes in the basket." "Easter Bunny," said Max. He couldn't wait to find more. Ruby put her basket down and went hunting in the bushes for more eggs. Suddenly, Max got an idea. When Ruby wasn't looking, Max took the red egg with polka dots out of her basket. He hid it in the bushes and then quietly crept away. "I think I found another one," said Ruby. She pulled the egg from the bushes. "Another red egg with pink polka dots? That's funny," she said. Louise put her basket down and searched for Easter eggs in the garden. When Louise wasn't looking, Max took the blue and gold striped egg out of her basket. He hid it in the flowers and then quietly crept away. Louise suddenly felt something round. "Another blue and gold striped egg?" she said. Valerie put her basket down and searched for Easter eggs under a picnic table. When Valerie wasn't looking, Max took the purple and white striped egg out of her basket. He hid it on top of the table and then quietly crept away. Valerie stood up and saw the egg on the table. "Another purple and white striped egg?" said Valerie. Again, Ruby and Louise and Valerie put their baskets down and went looking for Easter eggs. Again, they found more eggs, just like the ones they had found before. "The Easter Bunny sure likes red eggs with pink polka dots this year," said Ruby. "And blue and yellow striped eggs," said Louise. Just then, Bunny Scout leader blew her whistle. "Let's see who found the most Easter eggs," she said. Ruby searched through her basket. "That's funny. There's only one egg," she said. "I know I found more than that." "I only got one egg too," said Louise. "Me too," said Valerie. All the other Bunny Scouts searched their baskets. Each one only had one egg. "Do you know what happened to the rest of the Easter eggs, Max?" asked Ruby. Max shrugged his shoulders. "Did you eat them?" asked Louise. Max shook his head no. "Did you hide them, Max?" asked Ruby. Max nodded his head yes. "That explains it," said Ruby. "Max kept hiding the same eggs over and over again." "Let's do the hunt one more time," said Bunny Scout leader. "Thanks to Max, we have our very own Easter Bunny," said Max. Happy Easter! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Max and Ruby stories, check out my Max and Ruby playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.